Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's January the 3rd, 2024. We had a drop. It's all coming back up. I didn't find anything worth buying lower. I'm certainly not selling anything right now. So it's just a matter of shake them out, see who stays in the game. All right, let's get straight into it. Welcome, everybody. You may have missed some premieres that have just come out. So you may have missed them. Let me show you on my alpha spread. We've had two. We just had, let me share on the screen with you. Joby Aviation came out just a few minutes ago. Let me refresh the screen so we can get an update of where we are. There we go. Joby Aviation has just come out. So it's on the homepage of the channel. I've just put out some reviews you may have missed. So let me just show you on the homepage. Oops, hang on a minute. There we go. That's better. On the homepage of the channel, it's being a bit glitchy. There you go. On the homepage of the channel, for the third time of saying it, there is the alpha spread reviews. And we've just put out a few moments ago in 14 languages, as you can see, CC, Joby Aviation. Also, ZR8R stock, Zevra Therapeutics, and also Petrobus will come out after hours. When we ring the bell, we'll keep the live conversation going, and we'll look at that there. So you can either find them in the Alpha Spread stock review with me. There they are, right at the top. If you've not got a red line underneath them, you haven't watched them. That's basically how it works. Scroll down, you can also see the videos as well, the video playlist, and there you go. There is the two just come out, and there's the one that's about to come out. All right, just below there is all the past live streams, so you can see the past shows, and just below there you can see all the shorts. Okie dokie. All right. Fan-flipping-tastic. All right, so everybody's up to date now. Okay. We've been watching Sidus Space. It's holding now. Wow, what an opportunity today. I tried to buy at 7. It just wouldn't let me. I was so close to buying a second time round, but now it's not the time. And it's held up. It's held up. Sidus Space is held up. It could be a time just to hold it now. And what a great opportunity if you've done that. Anyway, fantastic. Let's read all the comments here. Queen, self-braiding. Hi, Stephen Cragg. Henrik, hi all. Hi, John Granforce. Hi, Henrik. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all our members here this afternoon. We've got more countries now. We've got 52 countries now in our family. 52 countries. England, Ireland, and Wales have been added, plus others. Look out for your flag. Here it comes. Okay, Francesco. Hi, Santos. How you doing? Did the Fed talk today of Biden showed his face and scared the markets? Did the Fed talk today or Biden showing his face scare the markets? Markets are absolutely fine. It's just part of the start of the new year. John Granfor's both. What's that? Always replying to Mad Max. Fed didn't do us any favors, and Sleepy Joe is asleep at the wheel. CRTM, that's Queen of Self-Braiding's giving you a thoughts on a stock there. There you go. Check that out. A lot of us going to be rich in 2024. Francesco Santos. Inti, hello again, says Fatala. Inti, okay. Inti, I've got something for you. Inti. So here we go. Inti, this is for you. I've done your video. Now you need to go and watch it properly as the proper video. So, Inti, there's your video. You asked for Zevra Therapeutics. So on the homepage, there is Zevra Therapeutics. There is your video. So if you want to go and watch it and share it around now, that's for you to do. There you go. Let me give you the link. All right. Let me copy the link. There you go. there is your video. You may have already seen it, of course, but I'm just letting you know, there is your video. Okay, it's out now. Why is this behaving really weird this afternoon? I have to like refresh the chat every time. Anyway, there you go. Zevra Therapeutics. There is your video. Just come out. Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome. Right, I'll take it now off the list. Now I've given it to you. You know it's there. Please watch it all the way through and then click and share. If you want to do a super thanks underneath it to promote it, you're very welcome. What is a super thanks? A super thanks is when you go to a video, underneath you can do a comment and you can highlight a comment. And what it does, it's a tip for me, but you don't have to do it for me. The reason is it shows YouTube that you like the video so much so that you tipped it, and it will start to suggest it. So more people will get to see the review on that stock. So you might want to promote the stock and let the world know about it. All right. So that's what that's about. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me get back to here. Let me get rid of that a minute. Where's the thanks button gone? There we go. All right. Okay. Love your assessment. You're very, very welcome. Right. Let me delete that. And have we got Antonia Dela Cruz in the chat? Have we got Antonia Dela Cruz in the chat? No. Have we got G. Corey in the chat? G. Corey? No. Have we got Pat M in the chat? Doesn't look like it. We've got Brian in the chat. Brian? No, don't think so. R3A? R3A? No, we don't. And Michelle. Okay. No, we don't. Okay. So if they come in, if you do come on in, let me know and I'll give you your reviews. Okay. Now then, Virgin Galactic starting to come back up again. Chris Pickering, bad day today. Not really. It's just the start of the year. A lot of you made money this morning with Sida Space. It went up again crazy. I was trying to buy it here at 7. That was 11. It went up so like 50% gain in a day, even if I'd held it. And it's a very good chance now it could hold. So it's very interesting this now. Anyway, what are your thoughts on a firm at this price? I've not reviewed it. I would need to review it to find out. If you want me to review it, become a member and I will do a full review, up to 1 hour video for you. No reviews this afternoon. We're taking a break from reviews today. Did 3 today. So I'm having a nice little break, just having a chat with you all this afternoon, watching the stocks and watching the news, but doing some trading of my own. But we're not doing any reviews this afternoon. If you become a member, it'll go on the list for tomorrow. Martini Racer. Yeah, I agree with you. Still holding. I think you might now have a good deal. As I said in the review, it was worth buying at 4. It has gone up. It's held now. This could be a deal now. This could be where it holds and bounce around and slowly, steady go up. So this could be a great time to have bought Sida Space. Remember though, it still needs money. It still have to raise. So it's going to have to drop at some point. But it's still a good deal, I think. Start of the downtrend, perhaps. Do you think we could be in for a bad year, Martin? Yeah, just a correction. I don't see it as a bad year at all. Is it going to be like the end of last year? No, but it's going to be okay. Emphasis, you sold your original investment. Is that correct? You just holding free shares, basically. Which Enphase, correct. Yep. I am now. Enphase on my main account. Yes, this is pretty much, not all of it, but about $6,000 of it is my seed money. So I'm a member now. No, you're not. Base San Antoine. You're not a member. If you want to be a member, here is the link. You'll have a badge next to your name if you was. if you use that link, if you are on an iPhone, you'll need to use a browser and request the desktop version. Everything else will work on that link. But no, you're not a member at the moment. Martini Racer. Oh, hang on. I think we have to see 12th of January inflation data. Indeed, we do. Indeed, we do. 740 average, we'll see where it goes. I think if they were going to do any offering, they would have done it by now. Yeah, it's a good point. But we have to step back a little bit in Sadu and go, okay, but, you know, in real terms, where are we really? Look, you know, it wants to raise around here. It's all too easy to focus on the day. Look at the reality. Look, there's the reality over 5 years. They're a space company. They haven't got. We showed you how much money they've got. They're going to need more money than that to do what they're going to do. Surely, we looked at it. We did a full review on it, didn't we? So I can't see how it can run a business down at this level. But you know, we shall see. We shall see. I mean, it's a market cap of 693 million. Space company. You know, think about it for a minute. Not even $1 billion. I don't think so, looking at the cash. Anyway, we've got a new member. Please welcome our latest member. What country are you from? Maybe we can add your flag to the country list. What country are you from? Welcome to you. Welcome to the show. Everybody, please welcome Bass. Welcome, everybody. Let's give a new member a welcome. Welcome, Bass. Has just joined our family. There you go. Can everybody please welcome him in? We don't know what country he or she is from yet. Now I'm part of the gang. I enjoy your entertainment. Germany. Okay, let's give you a proper welcome then. Let's give you a proper welcome. Here we go. Welcome, Bass. And welcome all our guests and friends today from Germany. Wonderful to have you here. We go live up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest, real live channel on YouTube TV. Please go and check out my music channel. I'm trying to get to 5,000 10,000 subscribers so I can do fundraising with no cost to you at all. So please consider subscribing to my music channel. Okay, let me just change this round. Welcome, Bass. Whoops, there we go. Welcome, Bass, and 10,000. There we go. Here we go.
Herzlich willkommen, Bass, und heute alle unsere Gäste und Freunde aus Deutschland. Schön, dass du hier bist. Ich versuche, 10.000 Abonnenten zu erreichen, damit ich Spenden sammeln kann. Ohne dass für sie Kosten entstehen. Bitte denken Sie also darüber nach, meinen Musikkanal zu abonnieren.
There you go. There's my music channel, and just invited our guest there to subscribe to my music channel. You don't have to watch my music or listen to my music, but I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do fundraisers without any costs at all to the charity. I do the concert for free, and YouTube take no commission, no taxes, no fees, or anything. So we're trying to get, if we can, subscribe to my music channel. This is it. I've done lots of tributes and special songs here. This is what I did here for Matthew Perry. Remember when he died? Know my name. If I saw you in heaven. So if you could to subscribe to my music channel, it'd be a massive help to me so I can do good for others. It doesn't benefit me. I don't get any money from these videos. They're all copyrighted music. But it would be nice if you could help me out. All right, brilliant. So I can help others. That's essentially what it's all about. Keep an eye on Bowl, 0.85% shorted. No shares available. Institutions own 120%. Bowling company profitable. 2.2 billion market cap. GME squeeze coming. Oh no, GameStop. Not that again. Not that again. Oh no, I can't get involved with that again. Flipping heck, no, that would be that'd be crazy. Anyway. Can't be doing any of that. Let's welcome our guest today on LinkedIn. This is where I talk to my CEOs. Hi, all. This is where I'm hoping to make my contacts. Here we go. Let me refresh X and Facebook. I want to welcome in our new member as well, Bass. I'm going to give you all your perks and benefits in a second. Would everybody please welcome in? So hi, all on X. There you go. Welcome all my viewers on X this afternoon. Thank you very much. And my audience on Facebook, the page and the group. Hi all. There you go. And also on Twitch. There you go. Hi all. There you go. Welcome everybody. Now then. When is Sensei coming back? I don't know. He's taking a long break at the moment. I'm not sure what's happening with Sensei at the moment, but hopefully he'll be back soon. He's very often in the show. I just think he's extremely busy. No, he's not in the show today. I just checked. But Bass, Saint Antoine, you've just become a member from Germany. Now I'm part of the gang. I enjoy your entertainment. Fantastic. Welcome, Bass from John Granfor. Zach Sates welcomed you in. Scotland has welcomed you in as well, which is very, very nice. Thank you ever so much indeed, Scotland. That's Poo Chicken, Dawn Potterus. Could have made money twice on Sid's Space. Yep. Would be gambling, I guess. Yep, it would have been. Have you ever invested in defense companies like BAE and Systems? And I've invested in... what's the name of the one I've invested in? Trying to think of the name. But yes, I have. And Lockheed, yes. Could make a killing from restocking all EU armies. Yes, very interesting. Only one position in my portfolio is up to date, and that position is, drumroll, Tilray Rubbish. Hey, Tilray Rubbish. Brilliant. Welcome, Bass. I'll do Discord and so on tomorrow. Okay, fantastic. You know all the stuff, right? Don't forget, if you want to celebrate a birthday, you can have that or donate it to somebody else. There is Discord link in the chat for you. You can request a review. You can ask, poll the audience. Many things that you can do once you are a member. All right? Okay. Be good to hear what Sensei is saying about Ripple. Yes, it would. Hi all, I've been watching for some months. Thank you very much. Well, you never know. You never know. Hi all. Hi all, hi all, hi all. Okay. All right, we're all good. Now then, Virgin Galactic. What is going on with Virgin Galactic? There is no news at the moment. It's just the beginning of the year. Nothing to say about it. This is why I'm not saying anything. There isn't anything really to say. To be honest, overvalued Amazon and rubbish Alibaba is up as well. There's nothing rubbish about Amazon. It's just too expensive. That's all we're saying. That's all we're saying on Amazon. It's one of the best companies in the world. There's no denying that. I love Amazon. I use it all the time. There's no issue with Amazon, of course. All right. Never mind. I mean, Google. Yes. Google's expensive, but it's better than Microsoft. Anyway, all good. No worries. We're trying to build support back on my portfolio here. Just down a bit today, but that's okay. Warren Buffett was down for about a month. I've been down for like a day. So I can live with it. The S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE, that's good. Enphase has trimmed off 7% today. I'm still up 20%. I'm not selling it. It's all free money. I've got the bottom. I'm not concerned. Coca-Cola is up again today. J&J, Old Jim Cramer must be thinking, how do I get away with this? I tell everybody to dump it, and then I tell everybody it's going to $200. Anyway, Jim Cramer, what can I say about the guy? Anyway, whatever. Now then, if you've just tuned in, we're not doing a review today. We're having a bit of a relaxing afternoon, actually. You've just missed, I'll give you Joby Aviation. If you didn't see this one, I'll give you the link. This went out just about an hour or so ago. So here's Joby. All right. If you want to get the Joby review, let me give it to my Kick audience. Whoops a daisy. There you go. There's my Joby review. Everybody watching me this afternoon on Rumble. There's my Joby review. My Facebook audience. Let me give you my Joby review. And on Twitch. And on X. There you go. You've all got the Joby review. And lastly, on LinkedIn. Also, you may have missed Zevra. That was an interesting one as well. Zevra Therapeutics. Let me do that one as well. Copy that one. Drop that into LinkedIn. There's Zevra. There is Kick. There is Rumble. There's my Zevra. And there is Twitch. We're all good now. All right. Everyone got it? And we've got Petrobras coming out at the end of this show so we can keep the chat going, all be together, continue the conversation. This video will go directly. Let me just check something. Yeah, we're all good. I want to make sure that's all good. So I can set this video up now to go directly to Petrobras. Customization. Redirect. Petrobras. Petrobras. That's what I meant to say. All right. There you go. Jim Cramer is not backing Chinese stocks and Baba is up. I'm not backing Chinese stocks either because of manipulation. But Baba may be up, but Baba was on the floor. So, you know, couldn't really go anywhere else, could it? Jim Cramer, rubbish. You know what? We need a sound effect. Yep. Jim Cramer's all about sound effects, so we have to have sound. In fact, that sound effect needs to be louder. That's better. Much better. If we're going to do sound effects, let's do them loud. Okay? Caden Youngquist, he's paid by big companies to say crap. Caden Youngquist don't mind pulling his punches. He's paid by big companies to say crap. Yeah, basically. Basically, I don't know why does anybody watch it? That's what I want to know. Jimmy Cram gets paid millions for his goofy show. He does. He gets paid millions. So he just thinks, well, I'll just do it anyway. Yeah, fair enough, innit? Fair enough. Anyway, he was completely wrong. He was completely wrong the entire time. Johnson & Johnson is going to $200. It's now 24.79% of my portfolio. I have a grand total of nearly $26,000 in it. I've never seen 26 grand in one place. Anyway, I'm up just under $1,000 now, 4%. So really good. And the dividends alone are worth it. Anyway, very, very happy to be owning that company. And I shall be holding that, I would imagine now, for the foreseeable future. All right, let's have a look. He's probably got more money and success than you. I'd remain humble, lad. Row, tell and cheese. We're here to help people. I can always tell who the non-members are. We're here to help people. It's not about being humble. I'm here 10 hours a day, you know, to help people. I don't make money on the live videos, all right? I'm here to help people. There's no one cares more about people than me. I prove it every single day. Up to 10 hours a day. I don't make any money from the live videos. Just to help people. What are you talking about? Jim Cramer is a flipping crook. He'll go on TV, tell everybody, and you know, everybody thinks they're like following this guy, you know, shouting Boyer and all this nonsense and building like an army. And then he doesn't give a damn. He just drops you on your head. He told everyone to dump. I'm not talking about you, Martin. Oh, I thought you were talking about me. Oh, that's all right then. I just wanted to make sure we were clear. But yeah, Jim Cramer just is there to make money out of people. And I think it's disgusting because people follow him. They follow him. They think he knows what he's talking about because he does know what he's talking about. He just chooses to talk rubbish just to get you to, stir the pot. And I'm dumping all my charitable trust of Johnson & Johnson. And I said at the time, I put a video out. You all saw it. Jim Cramer talks rubbish. I told you that this is a $200 stock. I mean, I'm not a rich guy. This is all the money I've got in the world. And I've got 50,000 on blooming margin. But I went in 25 grand on J&J because I knew he was talking rubbish. Look, up $1,000 now. Just gone through it again. Look at that. Right? He was. People were saying that J&J is going to go bankrupt because of its litigation. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's a complete nonsense. They can put that section into a bankruptcy, into bankruptcy, that section of their business, but the whole business isn't going bankrupt at all. And he kind of peddled that rumor, and it was ridiculous. And now he's telling everybody it's going to $100. I think everyone should switch the telly off and stop watching him. Just make money out of your mistakes. I think it's terrible. Anyway, Martyn should be on CNBC Daily. They wouldn't have me because I tell the truth. They don't want the truth. They want someone. Hey, can you, if you're going to be on our show today, you got to tell everybody that this is a great company. Just like some flipping idiot on Working Lunch told me to buy Chevron when I started doing this at the worst time ever. Worst time ever, I was told to buy Chevron. And since then, I do not watch Working Lunch either because they're all talking rubbish, those people. Virgin Galactic is a bit down today, but still looking good. Yes, I'm not concerned about Virgin Galactic. It's perfect. You got to step back. Look, 3 months. Step back. Step back. Step back. Look at the 3 months. It's fine. It's fine. The business is fine. This is what people do to stocks like this. I can't wait for the day that we get a Virgin Galactic Sudus pump. That's what we need. Sudus like this. It's going to happen with 4,000 shares. Can you imagine? 200%? Flipping heck. Get rich in one day. Anyway. Yes, he is here to help. That's right. I'm not talking about you, Martyn. I respect you. Rotel cheese. That's nice. The bankers are all the same, to be honest. They are. OFC, he makes more than me. Yes, he makes more than you, Caden. Probably does. I've always done the opposite to the crowd. Not only not only in managing money, but also aspects of life. Nothing wrong with that, mate. Almost every call out he makes, the company sinks. Yeah. How does he get away with it? How does he get away with it? Martyn's show is the best on YouTube, hands down. Rotel. Another one who manipulates the stock. Another one who talks rubbish is Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin is all about Meet Kevin. How many videos have I seen with Graham Stepan and Meet Kevin? Every single one is this. Oh, fire, catastrophe, every single one. But hang on a minute, I've got a sports car parked in my garage in my studio. Hang on a minute, I'm Meet Kevin. I've got a private jet and an ETF fund on the stock. It's terrible. Life for you is really bad. Stop doing it. No, they won't stop doing it because it makes them money because people love the drama. They love the doom and the gloom. Don't know why. Never worked it out. I don't care. I'm not here to sell videos. I am predicting Virgin Galactic will be over $3 by the end of January. I'm certain on it. Buckaroony. I am certain on it as well. There should be a Kramer indicator on TradingView. Go short when it should be. There should be. Meet Kevin's ETF is sinking because of Enphase today. Well, I do agree with Enphase, though. But unlike Meet Kevin, though, Meet Kevin is sponsored to say it. I don't know if anyone knows this. Do you all know this? Does anybody know this? Meet Kevin's house is covered with Enphase solar panels and batteries, and it was given to him. He's sponsored. He's paid to say Enphase is great. However, I have very little money, about 0.00001% of what Meet Kevin has got. However, I bought Enphase because it was a good business, not because someone paid me to say it was a good business. All right, so a little bit different. Anyway, Meet Kevin's ETF is sinking today, and there is an inverse Kramer ETF. There is. There's an inverse Kramer. There's actually an ETF. There is. I've seen that. I actually thought that wasn't true. No, Niels, it's true. It's true. What's it called, Craig? We showed everybody before. What was it called? Kramer. What was it called? What was it called now? Jim Cramer. What was it called? I can't remember the name of it now. But yeah, there is actually a fund set up to do what he does the opposite. But yeah, he's not joking. No way, it's true. I went long on crude oil on 10% leverage this morning. The war is escalating. OPEC should cut supply. End of the month. Yes. I'm waiting for Chevron to go up. Look, there's my Chevron. Yeah, I'm up 2% now. I'm making some money on Chevron. I totally agree. I'll be selling Chevron soon when we get around about the $90 a barrel. I bought it at the bottom. In the end, I did. I bought it at the top thanks to some clown on working lunch. I never watch it. I never ever watch it anymore. I cannot watch it because it's just like, I'm not watching you. I'm not paying to watch you tell me how to lose my money. Anyway, I bought at the worst time. I kept buying on the dip and I eventually got the bottom. And then at the bottom, I doubled with all my margin. So I'm now up. And when you consider I was down at 80%, the fact I'm up to anything is like a miracle. So I'm up 2% on it. I won't be doing that again. I'll be listening to Stephen Lewandowski from now on. But also, now I understand our oil trades and I don't listen to people who tell me when to buy it. Right. Okay, that's right. Nearly 1,000 on space. Looking forward to Galactic 06. Oh yes, aren't we all? Jeffrey Diamond. That's too funny. I wish I was stupid enough to buy it. Yeah. Had to check it up there. Hang on, was it S Jim? Was that it? Oh my God! Look at this. This is it. S Jim. There it is. Inverse Jim Cramer. Look at that. Look at that. Look, there's actually, I mean, how do you look yourself in the mirror in the morning when you make millions for talking rubbish and there are people literally inverse Jim Cramer? There's actually an ETF doing the opposite of what you get paid to talk about. Isn't that terrible? I would be embarrassed. Surely I can make money. I'm making money now. Not as much as Jim Cramer, but I'm finally earning money on YouTube telling the truth. Don't you want to go to bed at night? I mean, look, think about it. At the end of the day, Jim Cramer doesn't need the money. Right? He can pay his bills. Right? He can put food on his table. But he goes to bed at night knowing that millions of people have lost money because he talks rubbish. But hey, doesn't matter. I'm rich. How can you sleep at night? You could be just as successful, have just as much money, and at the end of the day, go, I helped people today. I gave them some information which is useful. So I feel good. I can grow old and die and everybody goes, what a nice bloke, and have some money. I hope that I'm that person. Jim Cramer goes to bed at night going, I made $1 million and I just stuffed it to a load of idiots. I mean, that's not good, is it? How is that good? Anyway, Mr. Lucas, you know how you have Sensei sponsor. You know how you have a Sensei sponsored bell. If I sponsor, you can ring the bell with Tilray logo on it. Yeah, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. If you give me a $20 super chat, Sensei doesn't mind, you can have the Tilray logo on it. Absolutely right. And I ring the bell. Yep. Yes, you can. I can sort that. I can sort that for you. No problem at all. If you want to sponsor the bell, you can sponsor the bell. Not on 212 though, or I'd probably buy some, said Crag. Watch me please, oil. There you go. From now on, we're watching Stephen Lewandowski. All right, please. He's telling me, Martin, listen to me, mate. I've made more money than you're ever going to see on oil. I've got a lot of experience. I know what I'm talking about. I'll tell you when to sell your Chevron oil. So Stephen Lewandowski, you are in charge of my $6,000. I put my trust in you. There he is, Stephen Lewandowski. When Stephen Lewandowski says, Martin, sell your oil, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it and I'm going to clear $6,000 of margin, which is about 10% of my margin. Hopefully, he will say when it's up about 10%, and I might make about $6,000 of cleared margin. So, Stephen Lewandowski, I'm waiting for you. So no pressure, mate. Don't mess it up. What price are you buying more Tesla? What price am I buying more Tesla? I'm not buying any more Tesla right now, unless... Right now, because I'm all in on margin, right now, I'm not buying anything unless it goes below my all-time position, which is about 10% lower than my average, 198. So I'm not going to buy any more unless it goes below my lowest position right now, which is... I started buying it up again now. So, yeah, about 180. At 180, I'd buy more. Otherwise, no. Bill. Martin, you should look at uranium miners. I've been long a few months. I think we should enter a super cycle in uranium. That's interesting. Uranium miners, let's all have a nuclear war. What the hell? Yeah. Might as well. Nothing else to do, innit? Right, we've done it. We've blown everything else up. Let's blow up some uranium. Anyway, Roadtown Cheese. Well, if you remember, you can ask me to do a full review on it. No problem. Inverse Kramer might as well be called Ticker Mad. Yeah, Mad Money. It is Mad Money. That's what's really funny. What do they call it? Hiding in plain sight. He even calls it Mad Money. He even calls it Mad Money. This is mad. If you are following my advice, you are mad. If you are listening to me, you are mad. All right? That's it. No way. On my watch list. There you go. It's on his watch list. At the end of the day, it's all about the money. There you go. No, it's not, Bill. It's not. It's not. I totally refute that. All you need is the food in your belly, a good wife to love you, and a roof over your head. I've got all that in abundance. So it's not about the money. If it was about the money, Bill, I would stop this show tomorrow. I would go out, I'd hire a theatre, I'd sell the tickets and make 20 grand. I'd go to some network meetings, I'd get someone to book me, and I'd make a few thousand just from turning up and doing a gig, as opposed to about $8-9 a day on YouTube, right? So it's not about the money. It's not about the money. If it was about the money, I would go out and do something else. It's not about the money. If you've got enough money to survive, you've got more than 99% of the world already. I wish people would stop saying it's all about the money. It's not about the money. Take care of people, the money takes care of itself. Jim Cramer should be embarrassed with himself. He's an intelligent human being, and he's just selling. It must be a prostitute, basically. He's prostituting himself. He's basically saying anything to give me money. I might as well just go on OnlyFans if I'm going to do that. Can you do an inverse Kramer track review? Niels, yeah. It's an ETF. You can't do it. You can't do a valuation on an ETF. MSK. Yes, good idea, MSK. Maybe you should wear a Tilray hat. Yeah. Crag, yes, wear a Tilray hat. Can I get Tilray rubbish on the bell? Yes, you can. A $20 super chat. You can sponsor the bell, and I can put whatever you want on, as long as it's not offensive, whatever you want on the bell. And yes, there'll be a link below in the chat. There'll be a ring on the bell. Yeah, you can have all of that. Yep. Selling oil now at the height of a conflict is not a good idea. Good long uranium, the most bullish chart in my opinion. I actually bought 10 more shares today at 238. Very, very good indeed. My average is at 198. Yeah. Yeah, no, I won't buy any more here. I'm selling Mullen. Oh, guess what, folks? Yes. I have got some news about my Mullen. I've got some news. Remember I said that I would get my Mullen eventually? Remember? You remember that? Well, guess what? I've got my Mullen. I'm so rich now, you won't believe it. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Drum roll, please. It's a big deal. All right, you ready? Here's my Mullen. How much money do you think I've got? There it is. They've rounded up to one share. I am now worth $12.82, down 999.0999%. There you go. Can you believe it? There you go. Can you believe it? $12.82. They rounded it up. All right, so I've got one whole share of Mullen. Flipping ridiculous. And everyone got excited because it went up. What does it really mean? Nothing. Look at it. It's as dead as a donut. There's no value whatsoever. I own one share of Mullen now. That's ridiculous. I had 88 shares. It's now gone to one. So basically, I own about 20% of the entire company. 57 million. Dave Mitchery should be another person should be ashamed of himself. He did it on purpose. He knew what he was doing. He doesn't seem to care. As long as he makes money, who cares? Who cares? Well, apparently he doesn't. All right. I'm selling a Mullen sponsorship on the roll of bathroom tissue. I actually bought 10 more Tesla shares, says Buckaroony. Crag. Tilray will go up like smoke in the bull market. Let's hope so. Tesla should be at 200. Let me have a look. Where are we right now? Tesla should be at 200. It's over that. It's overpriced, but you're buying a future price. That's the thing with Tesla. It's not to do with the war, bruv. It's renewable energy. It will replace oil. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, as I say, if you become a member of the channel, I can do a full review for you and all the rest of it. Okay. There you go. I meant I make the Kramer guy. Yeah. For him, it's all about the money. Yeah. I think there's something wrong with you. If all you live for is money, then you are a very sad individual. If all you live for is money, you will say anything for money, do anything for money. I mean, if that's your opinion, if that's your drive, I will do and say anything for money, you might as well become a bank robber. It's easier. If I decide to rob a bank today, I'm going to get $1 million in 5 minutes. Why do this? If you don't care, it's all about the money, just go out and rob a bank. There's loads you could do. I'll just go on OnlyFans and do the show naked. There you go. Everybody will give me $20. Oh, man. Did you hear about Faraday reverse split? Not another one, surely. They're going to have to. Not another. This is ridiculous. Yeah, Faraday now is like Mullen. I hoped it would do better than this, but no, it is what it is. I've lost a grand total of $1,000. So just, yeah. But the thing is, yeah, I mean, what can I say? There's no value anymore. Anyway, whatever. Caden Youngquist, he's loving it. I've had a good wife pension. I owe too much, but I have fun. There you go, Bill. There you go. And it's gone. Martin, did you just call Jim Cramer? Yeah, probably. I've actually owned 10 shares of Tesla. I actually owned 10 shares of Tesla at 88. Fantastic. Hey, Lance Strength has Tesla at 88. I bought it 110 last year. I sold it and took some money. I'm gonna Here we go. I'm going to put this on the channel. It's just been hidden, but I'm going to show it. No. You can show that. Hang on. Where is it? Held for review. Hidden by Martyn Lucas. View deleted message. Hang on a minute. Hide, replace, go to channel. How can I make this? Why is this not? Hang on. Go to. For some reason, your comment is missing. I don't know why. I'll read it out anyway. I've actually just took my Tesla averages up. There's nothing wrong with taking your average up. People worry about that. I can't buy anything because my average will go up. You can't think like that because you can't buy Coca-Cola or J&J or the S&P or Bitcoin for $1 like it was a million years ago. Of course, your average is going to go up. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you think it's going to go up from here, that's all that matters. It's very simple, isn't it? So anyway, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, mate. Average cost of 0. You nailed the bottom there. Average cost of 0. You nailed the bottom. Yes, I did. FFIE and Mullen. Absolutely 100%. I bought the bottom. I nailed it. Best trader in the world. When is the next reverse split for Mullen? If they reverse split, if Mullen reverse split again, there'll be like one share and you'll own the whole company. It'll be about $25 and there's got one share left. That's it. So essentially, you can buy every single thing for $1 for like $25 for one share. Yeah, that's what's next. Yeah, brilliant, isn't it? Anyway, my average test is now 202. It was 195. Nothing wrong with that, mate. In fact, let's have a look. I'm 198. So you're about there. Should I buy a Tesla? You're making me think about it now. 198. Oh no, 228. 228. Sorry, on my main account, I'm only at 4%. Oh, hang on a minute. I was looking at my Roth. So yes, beg your pardon. Scrub what I just said. It's getting close to me buying in. I didn't realize I was looking at my Roth. No, my main account is 228. I'm still going to let it go lower though. I give my money away to people. I owe $35,000, Bill. I love it. I just want financial freedom. That's what I want. Caden, you're only 17. You can't have financial freedom at 17 or 18 years of age. How old are you now? 17 or 18. You can't have financial freedom at 17. I mean, unless you're Prince William. All right? That doesn't make any sense. Caden, you've got to travel the world, yet. You've got to do what I did. Go around the world, lose some money, do all the wrong things, break a few things, learn about a few things. Don't worry about financial freedom at 17, mate. Live your life. Go out, have some fun. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about living financial freedom at 17. Flipping heck, mate. 18, actually. Oh, yeah. In that case, yeah. You're 18. So it's about time then, actually, you got sorted out, to be fair. If you're 18... it's about time you sorted it out. He's right. He's getting old now. He's 18. He needs to sort it out. I love it. Exactly, Caden. Would be nice. No money worries. There you go. It's easy making money. The hard part is to keep it, right? The only virgin I'll touch at these are those you get in heaven. Not a fan of Branson. The pickle is good, is good, mind you. Branson pickle, indeed. Martin, what do you want? Rotten and cheese. What's going on here? Yeah, should look into Faraday. They are issuing one share with high voting power to guarantee the reverse split goes through. Company is dead. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That's another flipping stock gone down the toilet. Yeah. 17 cents now. What are we, oh my gosh, 22 million. Yeah, that's not looking good. You can't be an electric car company with 22 million. That's not looking good. That's about $10 less than me. So, yeah, that's not looking good. Yeah. I mean, do I sell it all and get $142 out? I mean, at this stage, it's just not worth, whatever. Anyway. I made good profit from Nvidia and Caterpillar after listening to Jim Cramer. Did you? I'm going to the Bahamas in the spring. That's why you haven't got any money. I'm going to the Bahamas. He's 18 years of age. He's going to the Bahamas. Hey, Caden Youngquist, I ain't talking about the Bahamas, mate. No. You're staying in expensive places, right? No. This is what I did. At 16 years of age, I started to travel the world. 195 countries. Do you know how many countries I've paid to go to? Can anybody guess how many countries I have actually paid to go to? How many countries have I actually paid to go to? And I've been to 195. How many countries have I paid to go to? Another young person on the channel. Fair enough, Caden. I'm only 17. Yorkshire's farming. I don't know why. I just naturally thought you were like 50. I don't know why I thought that. I just thought Yorkshire farming. Don't know why. 10. No. 0. No. 17, 18. Why is everyone making me feel old? I'm 21. Let me feel young on this channel. Right. Jose Quintana. Jose Quintana is the closest. I actually paid to go to 2 countries. I paid to go to Egypt when I was about 25, and went back when I was at 30 on a saga cruise up the River Nile. So I ended up going there for free eventually, but I paid the first time. And the other place I paid for was the Caribbean, the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic, I paid to go there. Every other country, I didn't pay. And let me tell you, Caden Youngquist, you can go around the whole... okay, you're going to go, yeah, but you were singing, you were on a piano bar, you were doing shows. Yes, I was. But in England, in Europe, people are a lot more traveled than they are in America. If people go to Mexico, they think they've traveled in America. Oh, I've been to Mexico. That doesn't mean anything. If you live in England or Europe, you've been to 50 countries. You've been all over Europe. Most teenagers do that because what they do is they go on backpacking trips, put a backpack on their back and just hitch or, make friends along the journey, get somewhere, do a job for a few days in that place, sleep on the floor, doesn't matter, go somewhere else. And you can go around the world for free. All right? You can. You don't have to stay in a 5-star hotel. What do you learn if you stay in a 5-star hotel? Nothing. You learn nothing about the Bahamas living in a 5-star hotel. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but you don't learn anything, all right? So you can travel the world on standby plane rides. You can pay for it with working in a pub or a bar or a restaurant. You can go all over the world. People in Europe do it all the time. People in America don't do it so much, but people in Europe have done it. Australia, they've done it. Anyway, whatever. Let's have a look. We've got 6 minutes to go. Let's have a look. Cham is 15. He's on about the countries. Right. We're running out of time. Everyone is young, Niels, apart from me. Me and Mike. Everyone in Yorkshire looks like they're 50, to be honest. That's right. I'm in my 40s, skint, grey and very tired looking. Bit like me then, but I'm even older. But it's never too early or too late to invest. Correct. Hope you haven't visited Lincoln, Chris. Brittany. Oh, Brittany. Blimey, I feel old. Yeah, I'm right with you, Dawn. Don't worry about it. We're still young, Caden. Let's go out and lose some money. Row 10 cheese, it's not the age, it's the mileage. I feel old at 33 now at MSK. You are old, mate. Right? You are old. All right? Me and you are old. In my opinion, got 10,000 on the red in Vegas at 21. You won $10,000 in Vegas at the age of 21 on red. So you've got too much money. You've got a silver spoon, you have, mate. You've got parents giving you too much money. How can you... hang on. You said, I'm going got 10,000 on red in Vegas at 21. Oh, I see. When you get to 21, I beg your pardon. I've been to dozens of countries. For me and my wife are off to Costa Rica on the 7th for 2 weeks. So hopefully the Wi-Fi works. Yeah, because let me tell you, listen, warning, if anyone's going on holiday, if you're ever going on holiday, the first thing that you've got to check is, has it got Wi-Fi so you can watch the show? So basically, you might just stay at home. So next time you book a holiday, hello, excuse me. Hello there. Yeah, can I help you, please, sir? Yeah, I'd like to book a holiday for the Bahamas. I'm 18 years of age and I got too much money. Oh yeah, we know all about you. Aren't you that guy on YouTube? Yeah, Caden Youngquist, that's me, yeah. Anyway, I want to book a holiday in the Bahamas. Oh, okay, fine. Well, but the thing is, though, before I leave, what's important? Oh, well, we got a nice pool, and yeah. No. What's really important is, do you have Wi-Fi, right? Because I have to make sure I keep checked in to Martyn Lucas on YouTube. Who's Martyn Lucas on YouTube? If you've never heard of him. Best YouTube channel in the world. Okay, I'll go check it out. Have you got Wi-Fi? Unlimited access? Because I'm going to be online 8 hours a day. Why don't you just stay at home? Well, because I want to go on holiday, but I want to make sure that I can check in. That's the first thing that you've got to do when you book a holiday. And I want to hear from holiday reps around the world that this is what's going on. There's a craze. There's a craze going on around the world, and it's people are like ringing up their travel agents going, excuse me, is there Wi-Fi? I've got to be able to listen into Martyn Lucas's show. It's like the number one. They're going to put it in the room. They're going to put Wi-Fi specifically for this show, all right, in the room, all right? Mike's 67, Bill's 68, everyone's old. 64, see? Wait till you get to 35, Ms. K, it's all downhill from here. I went to Newquay when I was 18. Hey! Newquay's just down the road for me. Newquay, that's near Truro, where I live in Cornwall. Yep, 48. Caden Youngquist. Yes, sir. Forgot about space. Let's be in the red. Mine, your live streams are the best. Yes, they are. You're dead right. You need Wi-Fi for it. Probably better odds, Neil. 1,000% sure. That's why I'm not in. Neil's parents are paying for the trip. I'm very grateful. I bet you bloody are. Parents are paying for the trip. You're 18 years of age. Pay for your own holiday. Stop taking your parents' money. I probably would. If my parents said, here Martyn, there's $1 million, go to the Bahamas, I'd probably take it as well. It's all very well for me saying it. They didn't. My parents couldn't afford it. 10,000 on red is not a gamble. 10,000 on Tilray, rubbish, is a gamble. Martyn on the phone to himself again. Right, time to ring the bell. No one sponsored the bell today. Sensei sponsored it. MSK talked a big game, but he didn't do it. Here we go. All right. In 3, 2, 1. The Sailor's Arms. I know the Sailor's Arms. I know the people who own it. Friends of mine. There you go. For what that matters, you know. No one really cares. That you know the person who owns the Sailor's Arms. Why do you even mention it? I don't know why I mentioned it. I just thought it'd be worth mentioning. Anyway, well, it wasn't worth mentioning. All right, I won't mention it again. Fair enough then. It's been a long day, innit? Right. Where's my there it is in 15 minutes. This is where we're going to be in a minute. And you're all going to come and join me. All right, we're all going to be here in a minute. See this? This is the world premiere. Keep the chat going like this. All right? Keep the chat going like this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. Nobody sponsored it. MSK was talking a big game, but he didn't do it. Anyway, I'll sponsor it when cannabis is at least rescheduled. There you go. That's no good, is it? You got to show faith in it. Not when it already happens. Anyone could do that. That's like me saying, you know, Virgin Galactic, I predict Virgin Galactic's going to go to $100, and I'll say it when it does it. All right? I will predict it when it does it. That's when I'll say it. All right. I'm going to say that Virgin Galactic is going to $100, and I'm going to say it when it does it. Right. That's not really that hard to do, is it? I don't know. Right. We're going up in the after hours. Let's have a little look. There we go. That's better. Bit of a down day today. Do I care? No. Do I? Yeah, because doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're still up. Silly. We got. Oops. What's up there? To protect yourself in some scams, this action isn't available while you're sharing your. Oh, hello. To protect your personal information and your assets from scams, isn't available while sharing your screen, recording, screen, or projecting. Oh. Oh, I never seen that before. What's happened there? How do I... Oh, hang on. That was interesting. What did I do then? What did I do then? What did I do then? Oh, transfer. I've never seen that before. Look at this. Look at this. To protect your personal information and your assets from scams, this action is available while sharing your screen, recording your screen, or projecting onto an external monitor. There you go. They put a new feature in there I didn't know about. Well, I appreciate that because I often wonder about that. If I made a mistake and suddenly revealed all my information. Anyway. So we'll try that again. Now I found out that little thing. Right, okay. There you go. There you go. You can see where we're going up now. So we're doing all right. Okay, that's good. Now then, can I use some of my past super chats retrospectively, then sponsor the bell? No, you can't. No, you can't. You can't come on it. You can't come in here. He does that. He gives me like $1 million tips and then says, right, now I want the next 2 weeks of free songs. No, you can't do that. Hello, Ferris Taruti. No, you can't do that. All right? I'm jamming. You can be jamming all you like, but there's no jamming on the name of the Lord. We're jamming. We're jamming. Jamming. Get to the chopper. Put on the Phoenix music for the... Okay. We'll do the Phoenix music in a second. We got requests. Whoa, am I a DJ now? Put that cookie down now. What's going on? Am I now some sort of DJ doing requests? Put on the Phoenix music. Right, okay. This is what's going to happen. Right? Because today I worked very, very hard. Okay? I need to find out, first of all, is G. Corey in the chat? G. Corey, are you in the chat? Thank you. Loads of subscribers. Just every few minutes now. Just every few minutes, another subscriber. Used to be once a month. Now it's every couple of seconds now. It's all the time. Right? Might have to turn it off soon. It's becoming annoying now. It used to be like really great when someone subscribed. Now it's just becoming annoying. Right. Okay. So, G. Corey, are you here? No, you're not. Unbelievable. I made your video. You're not even here. Antonia Dela Cruz, are you here? No. Don't look up. Don't say that because you know I'm going to look up. It's a bad thing. Brian, is Brian here? No. I can't believe I made all these videos and people just can't be bothered to show up. Who else have we got? Pat M. This list of people not showing up's getting too long. Pat M. And Gary and Michelle, they're never here. So I'm not going to say their names again. All right, so doesn't matter. For those of you that are here, I worked very hard today. Yeah, Mike's not here. Clearly, he's not here. I made Joby Aviation. That was for Antonio de la Cruz, but he's not here. I also made Archer Aviation, but he's not here. Zebra Therapeutics. Well, that was okay because I did that, and that person's here. That person's here. But Petrobus is for G. Corey, and he's not here either. No one's here, basically. Is there anybody out there? Yeah, no one's here. It's just me talking to myself, which is basically what I do anyway. Look at this. This is what my life looks like. This is me. I just sit here, staring, staring at this camera. See the camera here, spotlight's up here. I just spend my life talking to this. This is my life, right? And see, look, this is TikTok over here. So they're looking at me, but they're looking at this screen here, and I'm just talking to you. This is my life now. It's not good, is it? It's not healthy, is it? It's not healthy, is it? Shouldn't be doing this. Anyway, but I am, so, it's the way it is. All right? This is the future. This is the online. This is the world of the onlineness. It's a sad life. It is. It is. I get up every morning. I put on a suit and tie to talk to myself. I mean, the very definition of that is mental, isn't it? When you think about it, if I'm sitting here on my own talking to myself, I've just realized I'm actually sitting here talking to myself. I don't know why. Why do I even have a wash? I mean, why am I putting a suit and tie on just to talk to myself? Who does that? Who does that? I might as well become a proper YouTuber and sit here with the baseball cap on. I might as well just be like this, right? I sit here like this, talking to myself, just going, well, you're talking to yourself, so you might as well just sit here with a cap on. Really? Doesn't make any sense, really, does it? Anyway, sad life. Hi, Queen. And the world is looking back at you. I know. That's what's weird. That's what's really weird, isn't it? Marty's the kind of person that would go on a date night with Leah and talk to himself for the whole date. Yeah, Leah doesn't even need to come along because I just talk to myself. I could just pretend she's there. On a pretend phone. I know. My whole existence doesn't exist. The very fiber of my body is not even here. I'm just an AI robot, basically. See, some of you think it's amazing. Martyn Lucas, he works so hard. He's always online. He's doing all these videos. You've not actually worked out yet. I'm not a real person. I'm an AI. I'm an AI robot. I'm just groundbreaking technology. I'm not really this amazing. I know you think, it's like spoil the illusion, doesn't it? I'm not really this amazing. What I actually am is a robot. Oh, man. Right, enough of this nonsense-y. Light fireworks out of your bottom and sell tickets. Exactly. Rallo 1, spot on. Spot on. Right, enough of this nonsense-y. We've got to go. Now then, here is the premiere. Starts in 5 minutes. Here it is. Here's the premiere. Okay? We're all going to go here. Premiere after this. It's in the chat. It's pinned to the top. I'm now going to give it to you. Now, the purpose of this, even if you've seen me make it, you've not seen the actual video. You've not seen the actual video. None of you have seen the video. All right? So come and join me for the video. I'm going to get to everybody on Rumble. Right? Keep the conversation going. I'm going to give it to everybody on LinkedIn. Okay? There you go. I'm going to give it to everybody on... You get the idea, right? I'm just going to give it to everybody everywhere, right? You've already got the idea of that. That's fair enough. Everybody there and everybody on Twitch. And the purpose of this is not only does it help my video, which is the most important thing, let's be honest, it's all about me, right? Is that you will come in and watch it live and live Q&A, live conversation. Live conversation. All right? So join me. Join me for that. Let me just go and check something. I just realized something. Have I got the chat set to live? Subscribers only. There you go. Any duration. Live chat replay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. subtitles. Oh, all done. Yep, subtitles are done. 14 languages. Ready to rock and roll. Right. Okay, time to get out of here. Now, the purpose of this is, you know how they say, put your mobile phone away at dinner table. For Martin, it's put yourself away at the dinner table. My 6-year-old daughter says hi. Her birthday is coming up on the 26th. She watches me watch you all the time. Thank you for everything. You're very, very welcome. Right, it's time. We'll do her birthday, right? Right, you ready?
The year is 1991.
Correct.
Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire.
That's me.
This is Phoenix.
Yes.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst
All right.
and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your
There we go.
wings to rise from the ashes.
Time for world premiere. Who's up? Who's down? Only exercise he gets. Day trader of the day. I'm down 2.54. Here we go. Are you up? Are you down?
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil.
Oh yeah.
You know that they're just
Good God.
looking
Good
for
God's right.
attention.
It's got nothing to do with this.
Don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Wings to rise from the ashes.
Down.
You burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash.
Don't forget to join me.
Wings to rise from the ashes.
The Queen of Self-Rating. The Queen of Self-Rating is the winner. The Queen of Self-Rating is the winner. I pressed the wrong button. I can't believe it. I pressed the wrong button. That's terrible.
The year
I pressed
is
the wrong button.
1991. Birds and
That's the
people
Queen of
are
Self-Rating's
living together
fault.
in seemingly perfect harmony. Until
Unbelievable.
One day, a young man catches fire.
That's right.
This is Phoenix.
Press the wrong button.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're
I'm a ripping.
surrounded, no
We are watching you go.
defenders.
Love the moves. So get ready for the premiere.
Your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings
Don't worry, you got time. I'll give you all the links to the premiere. Make sure you all come and join it. There's the premiere. Make sure that you all come and join me for the premiere. Make sure you're part of it. Keep the chat going.
Your wings to rise from the ashes.
One minute to go.
You show you're a phoenix.
59 seconds. There we go.
Phoenix, you burst into fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform it up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst into fire, burn.
That's it from me.
And desire, you transform it up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Okay, the premiere is beginning. Thank you very much for joining me. Thanks for joining in the crazy party. There we go. It's now time for our world premiere. Thank you ever so much. Come and join me now. Keep the chat going and let's have some fun. Are you ready? Okay, the world premiere starts right now. Come and join me. It's showtime. See you back tomorrow morning. Have a lovely, lovely evening. Until then, thank you very much indeed. It's all gone a bit mad here in the studio. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves, as always, and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you back in the morning. Enjoy in now for the premiere. Bye-bye for now. Ta-ra.